let's hope it starts off a good morning, because we're still on with this starting issue. Now, thanks everybody for the comments on last night's video and the starting issues that we've had with this thing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to follow up on the questions and comments. One of the comments I did see was there's two clutch switches, and if you check on block 171 on Vagcom, it'll tell you if it's activated. Well, that's the little loom that comes out for, I don't know if you can see it. Can you see it there? Right, let's have a look, make sure you can see it. Right, so that's the loom there that comes off the main loom. And you've got your brake switch, your brake switch and your clutch switch. Now, if I go into, so there's only two switches there. But if I go into Vagcom, I'll bring it over and I'll show you. So that's it. Fuel pump's clicking and whirring away. Update software, yep, yeah, blah, blah, blah. Right. So if we go into engine, measuring blocks, 171, didn't even know there was a 171. Oh, right. I've not gone through all the measuring blocks because obviously there must be hundreds, but I didn't know that was there. I need to do some more research on these measuring blocks. So that's working. Starter control, clutch switch, interlock switch. What interlock switch? What interlock switch? Right, interlock switch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. An interlock switch. There isn't another. Let's take all this lot off and have a look. Copy tape. Oh, hang on. What's this? What are these? What are these? What are these? There's two wires here. Look like they've been ripped. Right. Strippers. Or some new side cutters. Come on. Resort to my teeth in a minute. God's sake. Right. Right. Okay. Right. Circuit tester. Where's circuit tester? Can you see that there? I'll zoom in. Right. That's a signal wire. That is a signal wire. So there's no switch. The switch has been, looks like it's been pulled out. Can you see that? So touch the two wires together. Activated. You are having me on. On all the wiring diagrams I've got, there ain't anything showing two switches, there's only showing one. I'm gonna have to get a switch. Oh, for God's sake, get stuck together. Activated. You are having me on. Right, well, there goes nothing, I suppose. Not worked before. You are taking the gobsmacked. Seriously gobsmacked. That. Well, I think I know who this person is. In the comments, it's down as white, MRC. I think it's Doug from MRC. So Doug, I'm just going to send you a text message to say I've got your number. And I didn't want to bother you with this anyway. Pester you, obviously, because I know you're a busy man. But thank you. Massive, massive thank you. Because we've been on this, and I've been having sleepless nights over this bit. I thought the immobilizers had blown. Nobody has said there was two switches. I didn't know there was two switches. And the wire's been cut. I think obviously when it's been pulled out, it's been snapped. So I need to get another switch, but it's working. He says, press this button, no what happens. Happy days. I can see this week's going to be better.